Welcome back to the shop, and today I've got something special planned for us. Now, if you're like me and you've been blessed with owning a home built way back in the 1890s, you know how much dedication and hard work What? What? I'm trying to film something here. 19 what? 1990? This house was built in the 1990s? This house is only 30 years old. Why the hell is everything falling apart? All right, today we're gonna fix these kitchen drawers, and I'm gonna show you why I think the term builder's grade means cheap piece of shit. All right, to fix these kitchen drawers, all you need is a hammer and some wire brads. All right, to fix this kitchen drawer, all you need is a drill and the biggest screw you got. Let's take a minute and examine why those methods won't work. So the brad nails won't work because they're essentially just larger pin nails, and we've already established that the pin nails fail. And the biggest screw in your shop isn't a good idea because this isn't real wood. It's basically just pressed cardboard wrapped in like wood veneer. It's paper. It's not even veneer, it's fake paper. It kind of feels like wood. So we've already established that mechanical fasteners fail on these kind of drawers that are not real wood. So the long-term plan is to completely rebuild the kitchen myself, but I don't have the space or time right now, so we're just gonna slap a Band-Aid on this guy. So we're really gonna fix this drawer with some wood glue, a drill, and the smallest dowel you can find. You gotta use the smallest dowel you can find because this isn't real wood. Not only is it not real, it is super thin, so we're gonna be real accurate. So let's start by inspecting where the joint failed. Well, that's how you know it's square. Now, surprisingly, only one of the 4 joints on this drawer box has failed. Now, I'm hoping I can perform this operation without taking the slides off the drawer. This drawer box isn't real wood, so removing and reinstalling screws in the same location isn't a hot idea. It's a little hard to see, but the rabbet only got glue on one section of it, so the glue joint failed. And over time, as the drawer was opened and closed and opened and closed, the brad nails literally eroded through the fake wood. So now I have to apologize a little bit because I forgot I'm going to use some clamps to fix this. Spending money on clamps is never a bad idea because you're going to use them. You're going to find a way to use them. You could literally fill your garage with clamps and it will never be enough. You could build a shop next to your shop and fill that shop up with clamps and it's never enough. You could fill your entire house up with clamps and make your family go live under a bridge, and you wouldn't be happy because you wouldn't have enough clamps. All right, let's put some glue in here. All right, so this is the tricky part. You don't want to blow out this way or blow out that way. We can fix it, but just try to go straight down that board. Here we go. Oh, blew out. Now don't pour glue into the hole. Pour glue on the dowel and then put it in. If you pour glue into that hole and then pound the dowel in, you're gonna blow the sides out of that board. All right, now go ahead and stick it in there. All right, now we're gonna let this sit overnight. We'll come back tomorrow, clean it up. Now I'm not gonna sand this back because this is pretty thin paper veneer. All right, let's put the drawer faces back on. Shut my old lady up. Ta-da! Now you just saw how I fix this drawer. Get up and go do it yourself. So we got some shit drawers. And I don't mean like I poop my pants. I mean like this is a bad drawer. So Builder's Grade is some shit. They make some shitty drawers, yeah? If somebody says they gave you a Builder Grade drawer, just know they gave you some shit drawers, mate. I don't mean like drawers or like undies full of poop. I mean like just some crappy drawers. So even if you never make your own cabinets, just know if you ever find yourself in a situation where you're trying to get a new kitchen installed and the consultant on the other side of the desk says Builder Grade, I hope you flash back to this video and substitute the word Builder Grade with piece of shit. I think that's a little high. That price is too much. Well, we could install some Builder's Grade cabinets for you, save you a little money. Come back to this video. Well, we could save you a little money and install piece of shit cabinets. See how that works? All right, fix this piece of shit. Crikey, that's a bloody big screw. Hey mate, that screw's too big. That's a 4-inch screw. My wife thinks that's 7 inches. Grab the biggest screw you can find. You're gonna need the smallest dowel you can find because this is the shittest, cheapest wood, thinnest fake wood you've ever seen. All right, let's see what the went wrong. So the best way I found to fix drawers like this is go out to your shop and grab a... All right, mate. Here we've got, live in the wild, a cheap piece of shit running around people's kitchens. She told me to take a pill. I said it's fake wood. Crikey, look out, there's a snake in me shop. And like everybody says, you never have enough of these motherfuckers. Your wife is waiting for you to get up and fix your jaws. That kid yelling in the background is going to be a problem.